Go sit on your little chair.
This chair's not even on the camera.
Well, that's okay. Nobody knows you anyways. I just need you here. Get over here and sit here.
I can't. Just go ahead and talk, man.
Yeah, how about, dude, get a little chair really low and sit right here.
Right here.
Dude,
I'm gonna turn this upside down.
that's funny. That's funny. That's funny.
I'll sit right in the middle. Watch this thing break halfway through.
No, dude, it
That'd
would.
actually be even better.
Or dude, wouldn't it be funny if you That's cool. Alright, what's up? You guys, Tools in Action, welcome to the channel. Today is a great day because we're doing something kind of new. We're following Jarod here, apprentice electrician, and Eric. I don't know, man. Eric's just sitting in the middle chilling today.
Nice to have you here.
Yeah, nice to have you here. So, you guys, basically this is sponsored by Southwire, and we're going to follow Jarod through his paces of becoming an electrician, using tools, stuff like that. So, everybody, Jarod, everybody, this is the audience.
What's going on?
So, Jarod, how old are you, and what is your actual job?
I'm
You
20.
didn't work at Subway, did you?
No.
Okay.
Wow,
Yeah, I get that a lot.
Jarod.
I get that a lot.
Oh, it's Subway. I never thought of
It's
that.
funny you say that. That's actually my nickname on some of the job sites.
Subway?
Subway. Yep.
Dude, you don't want that nickname.
No, I know.
Yeah, that's not good.
But I am 21. I just turned 21. And I am a second-year electrician apprentice.
Cool.
Awesome.
So your ultimate goal is to be, is it called journeyman?
Journeyman. Yep.
Okay, so how long are you going to be an apprentice for?
About 3.5 more years.
Wow. So that's a long
It's
process.
a five-year apprenticeship.
Man, you could like be a doctor in that time in some states. Right?
Probably.
Yeah, right?
guess
Some
maybe.
places in India, so maybe you're a
I don't know,
doctor
I didn't go to
2 years. I don't
college.
know. Yeah.
So did you actually have to training before you got on the job site to start being an apprentice? Or
No.
did you go out and then they just start training?
I
right
just
off the bat?
kind of was thrown right out there.
Nice.
Yeah.
But really, what kind of, it is kind of a college though, really, because just like
Kind
you're
of.
going to
It's
school.
on-site.
It's
Yeah.
just an on-the-job kind of training, right?
Yeah. And then also once a week, I'll go to class.
Wow.
Yeah. After work.
Well,
So,
where's the class at?
At our union hall.
So if one wants to become an electrician, how do they do it?
You go to their union hall and ask.
What, just say, hey, I want to be an electrician, and they get you all set up?
You wanna go like, hi, I'm here to apply for the apprenticeship. That's where you would start.
Right.
So,
All right, cool. And then there's something else you're affiliated with, some J thing. What's that? The JEs?
JATC.
Yeah, what is
That's
that?
our training.
Okay, so that's the training program?
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
do they supply you guys with tools?
No.
Okay, so, but how do you know what tools to get? Just,
I kind of asked around before, like during my application process.
Move, dude.
You know.
wait, is that, you don't like it back there? Here, sit on this seat. I'll stand. 'Cause I want you back. You guys,
I'll
Eric,
sit right here. I can move this stuff
are
right
you
here.
sure? You guys, we don't want Eric to feel bad.
No, I
Eric,
don't feel bad. It was
the last
funny. It's
past
funny
few
at first,
videos,
but then-
everybody thinks he's gone. He's still here. He's still with us.
This.
At least for another day.
For another day. Well, let's see your bag. What you got?
Okay.
So, basically, you guys, like we said, we're sponsored by Southwire, so we're going to be replacing some of these tools with Southwire tools. We already have a few tools that he's out with Southwire, and we're going to find out about those in future videos. But just real fast, what do we got? You got a tool bag.
Got a
Flathead.
straight blade. Yep. A Phillips
Phillips.
trim screwdriver, flat blade, and then tick tracer.
What's that called?
We call it tick tracer, but it's like a voltage.
Really? Did I give you that?
Yeah.
Oh, really? How do you like it?
It's cool.
Really?
I like it. It's got a flashlight on it.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. And
How
it's
did you find out that's pretty reliable?
yeah.
Okay.
It's true. It also has low voltage.
Why do you use that though? I mean, it's just quick check the voltage.
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't want to be reaching into an
it's a
electrical
safety
box.
item.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly. Yep. And then got wire strippers, diagonal cutters, couple block and concrete
SDS?
bits. Yep.
For fasteners and stuff.
Yeah. Drilling into block or concrete or brick or whatever with a Hilti.
Cool.
Utility knife always comes in handy. Tape measure, level, markers, tape, pencil, linemen's, channel locks.
Wow, it's funny because he calls them by the brand name.
That's what I was just thinking, yeah.
So, no, seriously, a lot of you guys out there, that's the same thing you guys think. You know, when you go to a reciprocating saw, a lot of people say, hey, you got that Sawzall, right?
Yep.
It doesn't matter what brand it is, that you call it a Sawzall, right?
Yep. You heard yourself. You say you got a Band-Aid, right?
Yeah, I mean, yeah,
That's true.
yeah, yeah. We're sorry, you guys.
And on the other side, got compact drill, tiny screwdriver.
Is that a drill or driver?
Driver.
It's a driver, impact driver.
But you
we
can't
call
drill,
it. We call
you
it.
can
a
drill with it with certain bits.
Yeah. And then extra apex, or a different apex, I should say. This has a Phillips
What's the?
tip on
What do you
it.
mean by apex? Is that the?
That's what I call the. Like the.
The
I don't know what you would call that.
bit adapter.
The,
Why would you ask
sure.
us? Why would we know?
I don't know. That's just what I call is the apex.
Right.
But that's a Phillips tip, and then in my impact
I
right
call
now
it
is
quarter
a
inch extension.
5/16.
Oh wow, okay.
Not driver.
Wow.
That's the most common
cool.
head we use.
It's really like convenient to have everything on a belt, so you can just go to work, clip up, and you're done, right?
Oh yeah.
Now, is that what a majority of electricians have on their belts? Or is there other stuff too? I mean, because it seems pretty light, which is nice. You're not carrying around a ton of weight.
You know, I don't have them on me right now, but tin snips
Is it okay?
is
so
another
you
common thing.
Okay.
I mean, it really just depends on, I guess, the job site you're at. Yeah, you know, if you don't have a bunch of tin or like metal studs, you don't really need your tin snips.
Gotcha. Okay.
So, I mean, it just kind of depends, you know.
Cool.
So, yeah. I like this pouch too. It's an upgrade from my old one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you
Cool.
like that over leather?
I do.
Yeah.
I like it better.
It's gonna be cool. I mean, lasting on a job site. But I mean, now you being young, I mean, the brand you buy now or jump into now, is that gonna be your brand for life, you think? I mean, are you searching for that right brand right now, or are you one of these guys that's like, you know what, I'm just gonna
Just
buy
try something
brand
new
A
each time.
and you know what? Or if brand A has done really good for you, are you really gonna reach out to that brand again?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
No, yeah, you're right though. If it didn't fail, why would you go with someone else? I would go with
Exactly. If it didn't fail you the first time,
Yeah.
why would you know?
He's gonna watch this video and all of a sudden it's gonna be all his bloopers in slow motion
Oh my
and everything. What the? No, trust me, dude. We get embarrassed on this channel so much.
Yeah.
It's crazy. But yeah, cool, man. So I mean, that's awesome, man. So basically, you guys, like I said, he's got a bunch of brands going on right now. He's got some Southwire. We're gonna try to convert him all to Southwire and see what he thinks about it, and you know, go from there. But if you guys want to get to be an electrician, like Jarod said, find out who your local union hall is. Head on down there. I mean, has it been exciting so far?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Like, what's the coolest thing you've done so far?
I didn't build it, but I was at a job site from ground up. Did underground all the way up to trim.
Wow.
That's really cool.
Yeah, it was cool to see everything go together and just watch it. Just
Commercial buildings?
yeah, but it was actually kind of a residential. It was an assisted living place.
Oh, okay.
It was
like
it was an
one story,
addition.
6 room.
No.
Oh yeah, yeah.
But no, I mean it was 2 levels, and there's probably, oh man, I don't know, probably close to 40 rooms.
Wow.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so it was a lot of piping.
And then Jarod, you just turned 21. Is the pay good? That's what people want to know. Is it worth it? They're 21 years old. Out of all your peers, are you doing good compared to them?
Most of my peers that are 21 are still in school.
Oh wow.
Not
Okay.
making any money.
Really? But you're learning and making money.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and
So-
Absolutely.
benefits and all that.
Oh, absolutely.
Now, the thing I hear all the time is that a lot of this type of skilled labor is hard to come by. A lot of people are not getting into it. And I know you're new in this, but are you seeing like a lot of job openings, or is it pretty much filled where if someone wants to get into it, it's gonna be really hard to?
I've been hearing lots of talk that it's going to be hard to find people to get into it.
Okay.
But like right now, it's pretty open right now.
Is it okay?
Yeah. But like the thing is like nobody wants to work. So
I know, that
that's
sucks.
Into America.
Get up in the morning, start your car, and go to work.
I
Who
know.
does that?
That's what I do. I wake up at 4:30 every morning.
No, I mean, I
Wow.
think
Are
one
you
thing-
excited when you wake up every morning to go to work?
After I drink my coffee.
Yeah.
I don't know. The one cool thing about the trades like that is you can, like you said, you can look back and say that I put all that electric in.
Yeah.
Every time you go past
It was
that building,
funny.
That's, you know.
That's funny you say that because I did a Walmart remodel And that's
Dan's got to check his email.
No, dude, we're in the garage.
No,
And
I'm
it says
just
someone
going.
is at my front door. Oh, it's my neighbors.
Yeah.
with a pie.
Oh yeah, it's okay. Keep going. We gotta keep filming.
I did a Walmart remodel, and that was probably like a 14-week job. And I went there just recently, and I was like, I did all this.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
It's kind of cool.
Wow.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Like I think, like when I go to Woodfield Mall over there, I know my grandfather built some of the pillars, and I know some of the buildings that he did. And even though he's not around anymore, I can still go there and see what he helped build.
Yeah.
Knowing that that's still there. And
Yeah.
it's still there. So pretty
That's
cool.
kind of how I am like with my dad. He's a
Yeah.
bricklayer.
Okay.
So I mean, I've been to some of his job sites. I've labored for him when I wasn't in school or anything. But it was like, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's awesome. I love that. It's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's awesome, man. And you're building America. And plus, like Eric said, not a lot of people are in this. So when the time comes and you're all, fully an electrician, you maybe start your own company, you might have a ton of work out there.
Possibly.
You could be rich like Eric.
No, I got a negative.
Maybe.
No, you don't, because your side job is Chevy Chase impersonator.
It hasn't been going well.
Are you serious?
Going
Why?
well, I don't know. People aren't going
We're on Christmas time, Christmas,
Apparently got an
National
attitude
Lampoon.
problem. I don't like that.
He does, you guys. And you may not have seen Eric lately on the channel. He does kind of have an attitude problem. He's turning it into like me, which is crazy, and it's
Very
annoying me. So I am going to try to change my ways and just be calmer and be a
Year's
better
resolution.
business partner. Yeah.
New Year's resolution.
New Year's resolution is to be nicer to Eric and, let Eric do whatever he wants to Tools in Action. Right?
But hey, I'm not gonna argue with that.
All right.
I like it.
Cool.
You guys heard that. You guys are the witness. So
Exactly. Stay tuned, you guys. We're going to have a lot more videos on this with Jarod. We're going to experience as he goes, as the tools we give him, and just, kind of see. It's kind of cool. We've never, ever followed someone, young that's got into a trade. And
I think it's cool. That's
who
awesome.
knows, in 5 years, Jarod, you might be like the Tools in Action certified electrical guy.
Wow, that's a big name.
I know. Well, no, you know what that means.
You can even put a sticker on that.
No, that means you come over to Eric and our house all the time, like instantly, and fix all that stuff and put in hot tubs and
For free.
yeah, for free.
For free. Right. Obviously.
Tools Next, you guys check it out. Hashtag TIA Crew. Anywhere you go, ask questions below. Ask Jarod any question you want. He will answer it. Just please be nice because he is new to the channel and he is young and some of you.
Awesome guy though.
Yeah. Well, no, I don't want any crazy comments.
I work in the trades. I can handle it.
Yeah.
All right. Cool. Oh, yeah, that's true. All right, cool. All right. You heard it, man. What do they call that? Roast.
Yeah.
Roast me.
Roast. Tools in Action.
For more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.